The OSA extension identifies an AAA Logo project file containing logo design data, created in the AAA Logo graphic design software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or export your logo design projects. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated AAA file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. AAA files are project files for AAA Logo, a consumer-grade logo design application. They store logo composition data, including shapes, text gradients, effects, and layer arrangements in the application's proprietary format for continued editing and export. AAA Logo project files are binary format files storing all vector and raster elements of a logo design alongside applied effects and styling parameters. The format is specific to the AAA Logo application and requires the installed software for access. This proprietary format is best opened by AAA Logo from SWG Soft for the AAA type. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows can preview artwork, but vector paths, masks, and layers need proper editors. Open the menu by right-clicking your AAA file and choosing Open With. Test AAA Logo first if it is visible. If not, select another application. Different tools have different strengths with specific formats. If you cannot access the AAA file, no problem. Since the AAA file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, Opening AAA Files. Install AAA Logo software on your Windows computer and open your project file through File, then Open Project. Ensure your AAA Logo version is compatible with the file's version. Older project files may require the original software version that created them. Next, exporting logo graphics. Use AAA Logo's export function to save your logo as PNG, JPG, BMP, or SVG format. Select File, then Export, and choose your desired format and resolution. Export at high resolution for print use and transparent PNG for web use and digital projects. Finally, migrating to modern tools. If AAA Logo software is unavailable, recreate your logos in Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, or Canva using screenshots of existing logos as reference images. These tools provide greater design flexibility and cross-platform file format, support for your logo projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.